Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today I'm showing you a little trick with cleaning the relay boards. As you know, there's all these little nooks and crannies and it's impossible to get in there to clean every little thing and vacuum. What I use is this neat little mini vacuum kit. It comes with all these little cool attachments, and what it does is this end right here hooks up to your vacuum cleaner, and then this end is where you put all your little attachments on, and then you can get all down underneath the wires and everything real good and just vacuum all the dust and crud out just like that. So this I got off of eBay. It was just in a little kit. I think it was called mini vacuum attachment or something like that. It was cheap. You just gotta put this end into the hose here, and then this just comes wrapped around in this plastic case. But I think it was under 20 bucks. It might have been under 10 bucks. But that's how I get into all the little nooks and crannies and get my relay boards nice and clean. Because what's really mostly on these is just dust and junk that flies off your coils and your contacts, all the powder from slamming, from the coil stops deteriorating, and just the dust over the years. It just settles on this board. This whole front of the board over here was all completely black, and you can see it's all nice and clean now. So that's what I do to clean my relay boards and get them all nice and clean again. Oh, and you can see I'm still waiting for a replacement relay for this, so I just got it laying there for right now till I get the relay. It should be coming tomorrow. But yep, that's what I do, and I guess that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Give us a thumbs up if you can. Like and subscribe to Mark's Basement Arcade on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.